Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you Norman's telephone from Colorado, and this is a Princess telephone, and basically Norman thought maybe he needed a bridge rectifier because he could not dial out with this telephone. And so we're going to try everything here. Let that go one more time. Give you some dial tone. And I'm going to talk into the handset. You can see that it has modulation because that red indicator light on the analyzer shows 100% modulation when I speak. And so on a transmit, it's working and it has modulation. The problem is that his keypad does not register. So it's not a bridge rectifier situation. I've already done testing on this phone and I'm troubleshooting it. And so what we're going to do is I have the keypad loose, and we're going to remove that, and I'm going to show you the back of the keypad basically. Here's some of the housing or the cover for the keypad. I've already removed all that. These keypads basically have to be rebuilt. They're pretty difficult to take apart because there's so many little mechanical moving parts, and then you also have the electronics of it, and then you have your tunable coils. And these tunable coils were famous for going bad, and so was the transistor and some of the other parts. The caps can give out too, although they're a little more sturdy than some of the other parts. But the transistor is open for failure on power surges and things like that. But this keypad, no matter which way the polarity was, it wouldn't matter. The keypad is no longer any good. And basically what we're going to do is I remove these keypads and rebuild them at a later date. And so what we're going to do is probably replace this keypad. And this is the clear keypad. The light would shine through the numbers. But Norman has told me he doesn't have a light socket here. He's told me he's not concerned with the light in the telephone. So we're not going to worry too much about what style. He said he really didn't care what kind of keypad he had. But I'm going to try to go back with the original. And we could always use this faceplate, although it's hard to take these apart and like put this front plate and keypad on another one. So basically we'll probably just exchange keypads with him. Now it would be a good idea to have a bridge rectifier in this telephone just for the simple fact, just gives you a little look at what's going on, just for the simple fact that the bridge rectifier is going to enable him to plug in no matter where he decides to plug it in, and it'll work because of the bridge rectifier. Keep the proper polarity on it, and it'll protect it. So basically this is just the initial check out of this telephone, and it kind of gives you a look at the inside of this Princess telephone, and the keypad is bad in this one, and so we're going to have to replace that. So what we'll do is try to get another video out of this telephone after we install a bridge rectifier and replace this keypad. And basically what we do is rebuild them keypads, and we try to save them. They don't make them any longer, and unless you get a hold of some new old stock, or you take one out of a phone that works, or you rebuild them, that's about the only thing you can do to replace the keypad. None of these parts are made any longer, and so we basically have to rely on what we can find or what we can rebuild. It's a cool Princess telephone, and basically we're going to get Norman squared away and get him back into service here as soon as we can. And I'll try to do another video of this telephone and do a final checkout of it. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. This is Norman's Telephone, Princess Telephone from Colorado. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.